Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. I am here with a new video and the video is about main gate design images. In this video you will see a collection of main gate design images of different types and shapes of main gates. Here is the collection of main gate images like iron gates, steel gates, wooden gates, aluminium gates, sliding gates, turnstile gates, swing gates, automatic gate, vertical pivot gate, luxurious gate and simple gates, and many more. As you know, the main gates are the appealing elements to your home. While selecting the best main gate designs in this video, you need to consider both aesthetics and technical aspects. I hope this article explores the best main gate designs for your home, modern main gate designs and low-cost simple main gate designs
collected in this
video. You can also see other different types of gates in this video as double gate, decorative gate, entrance gate, farm gate, garden gate, driveway gate, yard gate, side gate, steel gate, aluminium gate, wrought iron gate, timber gate and custom gate. I hope you like this video and appreciate my efforts. Please मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस के लिए मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें.